Hi, is there anyone? If you have any doubt, you come to online and you can ask me. Uh, Today I am free. Those who are online, please come, ask your doubts. I'll be clear your doubts. I am planning to teach the lesson in Java and .NET and PHP, Python, all the stuff in live. Then all the people, while doing the lesson, you will be able to, if you have any doubt, you will be able to ask the doubt and I will be clear itself. It is very easy stuff to do the teaching, right? uh, okay, I'll be do it Java web chat app as soon as possible in Springboard. uh, how to be a programmer? First, you have a fresh mind, and you have a fresh and cool mind. You just feel free to ask any doubts with when your teacher. If you got any doubt, you ask from your teacher, and you study. Every time you have to study online, right? Online. If you follow Java, you have to you regularly you watch the Java tutorials as well as the books, and there are many video tutorials available YouTube, right? All the stuff you study, you will be definitely you will be a good program in the future, right? If you have any doubts, you can ask. What else? Any doubts? The machine learning in Java and Python. Machine learning, I don't have an idea. Uh, if you want, I will. I just search from the Google, and I will. First, I have to get the knowledge, and I will teach you. Right? I don't have any idea about the face deduction. Right? I didn't do any program in face deduction in Java or Python. The face deduction in Java, the if you have any doubt, you just put that doubt, you just write the doubt on Google, right? Search, right? It will be give you the good result to you, right? What the doubt you what the doubt you have, you just put into a Google search. That's the thing I am regularly doing, right? Okay. Face deduction in Java, you just put into the Google and you can ask. Google will give you the good response to you. I'll try that program to make the tutorial in face deduction in Java, right? In my in the future lessons. JSP I already done many videos, right? If you are not taught, you just go to my Tutors Funny website and you will be able to search the JSP. There are many videos I uploaded JSP and servlet. Do you need a link for that? Servlet JSP. Have you find one in my Tutors Funny website? You will be able to. There are many videos available regarding JSP servlet. In web development part, Jasper report we will be using in the GI part. It is easy. If you are rather than you are using the web development in Jasper report in web development, you can use simple HTML and CSS file to make the report, right? If you make the report, you will be able to make the CSS and HTML and CSS, blank HTML and CSS. You will be able to make the good report for that, right? In JSP, you can use Jasper report in the web development JSP as well. But the problem is we have to find the Jasper libraries to use. It take some time to load the libraries and well, okay, so that you can easily use the HTML and CSS rather than using the Jasper reporting, right? The GI, it is not a problem. I don't I'm not a game developer. I haven't developed any game yet in Java or Python. I have developed a game in JavaScript. AI game I have made. That's the thing I have made. You just go to my tutorial. You can check my all of the videos. You can find the JavaScript game. It's a AI game. You can find it. I never been do any games in Java or Python. Sorry, JavaScript. I did the game. You need a link there for that. Okay, I will be provide the link. Check out this link. I didn't teach you how to make the JavaScript game. I'll be teaching the later lesson, right? I sorry, dear, I have no time to do it. Student management system. Last time I told, right? Sorry for that. I'll be upload it as soon as possible, right? editing part, right? Do you know how to edit the records? There are many videos available in my on YouTube, my channel, right? Tutors Funny, how to edit the record. The same thing you have to do the student part as well, the editing record, right? First you have to fetch the record from the database, which the all the records should be shown on the JTable. Which record you need to edit, you just click on this edit button. The particular row record will be displayed on the relevant text box and combo boxes, right? Then after that you made the changes and click the say edit button, the record has been updated, right? That's the thing, that's the flow, it will be working, right? While you editing it, while you clicking the edit button, what happen is the particular you selected row record will be display onto the relevant text boxes, right? This is all the codes I have done. That's the flow working. Okay, I will do it JavaScript project, right? There are no one interested that, so that I'm not making that JavaScript game project, right? I'll be uploading the videos, right? Today, if I have a time, today I will be upload the first JavaScript game tutorial. The step by step I will do it today itself, right? No problem. Did you see the demo, the game demo? Have you enjoyed that game, how to make the games? Ahmad Ali, I asked him from you. Are you there? Did you watch the full demo of the game? Have you watched or not? Anyone there? Python project MySQL connectivity I already did. If you are not touched that one, I'll be provide the link now. We can watch that Python project using MySQL and Python. This one I have already done. how to load the records, all the stuff, right? Yeah, I will do it. I'm planning to do the lesson in the WordPress in the future. I will be covered about that stuff, right? That's no problem, right? How to get the domain and hosting, right? That's no problem. If you want to buy the domain and hosting, there are several websites are there, right? Uh, HostGator, Namecheap, and SiteGround, A2host. There are many sites are there, and Bluehost. But when you make the website, the cheapest one is a Namecheap is the cheapest one, but it's a loading time is it is take too much of time to load your website, right? It take too much of time. But the SiteGround is the price is high, but its loading is very fast, right? The same like Bluehost as well, right? If you are comparing to the web hosting part, right? If you, later on we will discuss about that. I will make the tutorial, right? Uh, Tomorrow I'm planning to teach in live, right? I'm explaining all over the type live. With live, I will be explaining the lesson. When you get stuck with that particular area, you will be able to ask. Then I'll be answer your doubts. Then you will be easy to learn. Do you want to study WordPress? And nowadays the SSL. Do you have any idea about SSL certification? Right, that is must when you are buying the domain. Right, what is the difference between HTTP and HTTPS? Here HTTPS. Now nowadays all the sites are uploaded with the HTTPS. Here, this HTTPS. This extension, right? When you buy the domain, but you will buy with SSL, right? This is the extension, right? When you work with the web development in Java, there are many you can servers are there, right? The Glassfish and Tomcat. Tomcat has a SSL certification, but I don't have. I don't think the Glassfish there are that facilities there or not. I don't know. Don't I have idea about that? Tomcat is a good server. What is the app do you want to develop? Why I will cover about all the stuff on Android, right? I will come up to RESTful API as well. Okay, you can go and check my all over the Android tutorial, and as well as a Kotlin also I will cover about. You just go through the tutorial and you will be able to make the app. The problem here is I will give the good definition. This one I have an exam and MySQL installed, even though my exam is port is you change as this, but it's not working, right? The problem what I am going to do is first step you have to do. First you have to uninstall the XAMPP server first in your machine, right? You completely uninstall the XAMPP server. If you have any project inside the XAMPP server, your project reside on the htdocs, right? All the projects you just copy and put into other drive. you make the project, you just go to create the folder in your another local drive, EO, something like this, right? And you have to back up all the projects, you have to paste into that directory, and you just you have to uninstall the XAMPP server first. After that, you have to install the XAMPP server in different. If you install the XAMPP server in Z drive, this time it will be crashed. You have to install the next time in D drive. Okay, don't reinstall the XAMPP server in the same drive. Okay, okay. This problem is occurred the operating system problem. There's an operating system crash. That's why that softwares get crashed, right? So that if you get any problem, you just change the driver and install it. It should work, right? What Android teach build the Android app website using HTML, CSS, JavaScript app. Here the problem is here. Yeah, man. The you can reset the port, right? You can get another. Your RAM is crashed. That's why it will be throwing something error. Okay. My solution is you have to uninstall the RAM server first in your machine, right? Completely, right? After that, you have to install. This time, if you install Z drive, next time you have to install D drive. Your problem will be solved. Okay, thank you. Hi. Rajesh, you do what I said. You asked the question, Hamad Halib. What are the question you have asked? Build the Android app website using HTML, CSS. These the things here. The thing is this, right? Android app website mean that's a different part. It is a mobile. This is the web app, right? It's a two different part, right? If it is a mobile app, you must develop in the mobile technology. Android Studio will be able to develop the app, right? It consists of two parts, Java and Kotlin, right? Otherwise, if you're familiar with the Google Flutter and React Native as Angular Native, it is an Ionic framework. You will be able to you can study the Ionic framework rather than using Java, right? It's very simple, right? I will help you to teach how to develop the mobile app and Ionic framework. It is compared to Java, it is very easy. So all the codes are there. You just copy and paste the code, and you can modify whatever you need. Right? Very simple, rather than compared to Java, right? Nowadays, that is very the popular framework for mobile development in Ionic framework, right? React Native. You can study those stuff, right? There are many students are doing the thing is this, right? They are making the Bootstrap website and they are converting to the app, right? But you can convert the app. It is possible, but when the person install your app into their mobile, when you install and open, their mobile may be getting stuck if you develop the app in the web-based, right? Okay, if we are develop the app in the Android Studio or the Ionic framework, it should be passed. Okay. How to connect Java and Android app. Java, JSP, and Android app, you will be able to connect, right? You have to use RESTful API. It's not about, you have to make the API in JSP, and you can do it that one. I already done this one in PHP, in localhost. Those are not touch my Android Studio with PHP. I'll be provide the link. You will be teach the same stuff you have to do in the JSP as well here. Yeah, I will do in the Ionic framework in the future. Ionic frame is very easy rather than compared to Java. Java, you have to learn more. But Ionic framework, if you know the HTML and CSS, you will be able to develop, right? Ionic framework, right? Ionic, it consists of 4 parts, right? You will be able to make the app in React or React.js or AngularJS or blank JavaScript, Wood.js. There will be the 4 parts, right? We'll be discuss that part in my upcoming tutorial. I'll be doing the tutorial, right? No problem, right? Ahmad Ali, have you go through my link? Have you done? You get the knowledge. This is the RESTful API. I have used the localhost also, right? How to the same thing you have to do in the Java as well. Okay, how to make the API, how to get access. What is this? I didn't get you. Please make the VIE. What's VIE? What's VIE? Ah, okay. Tomorrow, I'm planning to teach in the evening online lesson, right? I will. There are many students ask me how to download the Java libraries and all stuff. I will be discussing the live chat. Then only you will be able to study. Okay.